In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed breakdown and an entire blueprint of how with $0 invested, you can start generating 10K per month in 2024 by being an affiliate of a Forex broker. Before we go any further, it's very important that I let you know I'm not a financial advisor and nothing that I say in this video should be deemed as financial advice. Before investing into any platform that you see either on this channel or anywhere else on the internet, please make sure that you do your own research, do your own due diligence, and never invest more than you are comfortable to lose. If you get value from today's video, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and also turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. Any questions that you have, please make sure that you write them in the comments section below, and I will get back to every single question and comment as soon as I can. Now, what is an affiliate? An affiliate is someone who refers a product or service made by another retailer and gets paid a commission for doing so. On a daily basis, the Forex market revenues anywhere between $5 to $7 trillion. That means that there is a huge opportunity for affiliates of Forex brokers to be able to generate commission when people are trading. Now, I want you to imagine every single time someone places a trade, you get paid a commission. Now, the first thing that you want to do is identify a good broker to work with. Now, I've listed a few things which, in my opinion, are key features of a good broker. Now, above all else, the most important feature that you must identify is to ensure the broker that you are working with is regulated in the areas that you are marketing their service in. This is so important because it ensures the safety and security of your clients' funds. Now, other key features of a good broker are things such as competitive offerings. Make sure that your broker is providing good spreads for your clients. You want to ensure that the range of products that they offer will service all types of individuals. For example, do they offer Islamic accounts? Another key feature that's really important is that your broker has great customer service. Make sure that they are responsive and that they have a fast response time when clients are asking them questions. Another key feature is fast payouts in multiple methods. When your clients are withdrawing, they want to receive their money in the shortest amount of time possible, and they want to have a range of withdrawal options. Whether it's wire transfer or crypto, make sure that your broker provides them all. Now, those were the key features that make a broker suitable for your clients. Let's go into more detail about the key features that make a broker suitable for you to become an affiliate of and work alongside. The main purpose of you becoming an affiliate is to generate good commission. So make sure that the broker that you select to become an affiliate of pays a good commission. My advice, my recommendation is to research the market and find out the broker that ticks all the boxes that we previously discussed and pays the highest commission. Now, as well as the broker paying a good commission, make sure that they are paying that commission fast. Now, typically the top affiliate brokers in this space have the option to withdraw your commission in crypto. What that means is same day withdrawals. So do your research and make sure that withdrawing by crypto is an option. One of the most important features, in my opinion, is that the broker that you decide to become an affiliate of has a dedicated affiliate manager service. What that means is that any issues that you will have someone as a point of contact that can resolve all of your issues. You want to make sure that that affiliate manager or that team really values you, because at the end of the day, you're going to be working hard to bring them more clients. Another top tip is to try and find a broker that not every single person who trades is using, because what you may find is it becomes challenging to move one of your clients from someone else's affiliate link to yours. So what do you need to do to get started? There are 3 key things that you must do in order to start your business as an affiliate of a Forex broker. And these 3 things make up the blueprint that will enable you to start making 10K per month in 2024. Step number 1, you need to create content and provide free value aimed at anyone who wants to make money trading Forex. Step number 2, you need a great signal service and an education platform. Step number 3, you need a system. Now, if you have no idea where to start and all of this sounds super overwhelming, here's what you can do. Team up with me and leverage from the system that I have created that is already generating me 10K per month. And with $0 invested, you can start making 10K per month in 2024. This will ensure that you get the best commission possible and your clients also get the best offering that they can get. You can get in touch with me by messaging me via Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description section below this video. The broker that I am personally affiliated with is Multibank. Now, as you can see on the screen now, Multibank is comprised of several entities that are heavily regulated across 5 continents by 14 financial regulators. This ensures that their clients get full transparency and security of funds. Now, if you like what it is that you see and you believe that Multibank is a broker that you would want to become an affiliate of, make sure you get in touch with me and I can hook you up with a VIP affiliate deal. If you got value from today's video, please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notifications bell on so that you don't miss out on future videos. And any questions that you have, please leave them in the comment section and I will get back to every single question and comment that you leave.